Good morning. I'm back. So it's Garv. A little late into the day, but I hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing great. We're here at Lincoln Tech on a big Monday, learning, get into it. Know the vibes. So right now we're learning about fuel pumps. So let me get you into it. Let me see if this is a better angle. Hey. Hell no.
Hey, you want in?
Yeah. So I seen like they have a specialized wrench for that.
On one that had a plastic ring.
They had a wrench to specifically do
You
that.
know which ones I'm talking about, right?
Say what? They have like a wrench that you put and it.
You know what? They got tools for everything.
Yeah.
I literally just smacked it with my hand.
That's what's up.
The metal one.
That's how you really work. 60 years in the business.
Yeah. The what you call it?
Smack it with your purse.
Anyway. You can try to keep this one.
You smell that?
Yeah, it smell like gas.
Smell like gas.
Like gas in the trap bag.
The Corolla crosses. You need a special tool that actually pulls the pump out of the tank. It works like a big freaking steering wheel puller.
You dying, CV? It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Nah, it ain't.
Spin
Got
that.
it?
Yep.
Boom.
Gasoline. You like this?
What? Smell gas? I don't mind smelling gas.
Oh!
There's gas in there. You take it out. You gotta
Pull that,
very
yeah.
slow.
There's gas inside of the chamber still.
Now move this shit on the.
Yeah. But no, you're.
Careful. Let it drain. Let it
I
drain.
literally said this morning.
Lights on fire, guard. Shit.
I literally said.
Please, no lighters over here,
10:30
please.
We'll be in the shop.
Alright.
Oh, what'd you just pull out?
It has mad gas in it.
Still gas in there. Yeah, there's still some in the chamber.
I can't.
Here. Tilt it this way. Tilt it this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, like tilt it and pour it out.
Tank.
Tilt it and pour it out.
Tilt it and pour it out, yeah.
Go ahead, Tyra. You good?
Go ahead, Terrell.
No.
Let me see.
See, now do me a favor. Shine that light in there and tell me how much fuel is actually in the tank.
Fuck ton.
It's a pretty good amount.
That shit is full damn near.
I was going to say.
Pretty good amount.
That shit is full damn near.
We have a what you call it? We have one of the.
I told you, my head is in shape of
All right, Tyra, you can bring it out now.
13-gallon tank. Someone put 14-gallon.
Tyra, here. Look, bring it to this.
Some charcoal canister.
Nice.
fuel pump.
Fuel pump. Well, stay there.
Stay there.
Let me not move too much.
Bro, these glasses, Jesus Christ.
Right. Well. Rheostat. So here's the deal.
Yo, Tyrell, you been there.
It's literally that simple. Alright. Now I do have a pump though, right? An actual pump pump. My pump pump is actually very bad here.
Because fuel enters here and it
It fills this whole thing
This
up.
nigga just assaulted me behind Y'all didn't see it.
and also
I did.
lubricates components too, right?
And he just admitted it too. He
Yup.
about to post it, so that's self-incrimination.
Pump, picks it up.
Oh, man.
Now,
Where you come from, Lewis?
here's the thing on this. So I got all sorts. I have pickups and shit on
Doing
this.
great.
But if we go, did you ever hear anyone refer to something as a reserve?
Reserve.
Yeah. Here's the thing. You know when you get to that A, am I really at A?
What?
Yes, that's my reserve. So this is actually set up.
Collected my plate. I'm about to eat good. Shout out Malcolm.
What'd you get?
What's it called? Chipotle barbecue wings and some mac.
God damn.
Yeah.
Fucking Big Mac ass nigga.
Yeah.
So all the dirt. Where you dirt my fucking.
Oh shit. Mahmoud, look. Huh? Oh, CV. If we literally steal this, we could use it on your car. If that is the identical pole that's on my jack.
I know. Yeah.
Identical. So,
Good,
I was
Robert.
ready.
Where do they put the tank?
But yeah, if we steal that shit, yo.
Steal
in the
it.
gas station.
Oh, snap
They're underground. So they have to unscrew those freaking caps. There's a fucking screw cap. Is there a seam? No seam. Cap and the fucking bill.
You locked in. What are you doing 360?
He's showing everything.
Nasty ass people bring their dirty ass cars.
Oh, he's locked in now.
Wait, I got 2 glasses. I'm about to be blind as fuck.
Driving over those caps.
Oh, word.
God.
Huh?
Oh, word.
You look like Josh.
What up?
Or is it Drake?
So what you got here?
Not a damn thing.
Not a damn thing.
3-hour job. Look at y'all. Less than an hour.
Well, maybe
After intake.
Every time you make money, you're losing money.
I'm a certified fat.
He's spending more money on food.
Certified fat ass, huh?
What's called the one that's being cooked?
I have no idea. But you should.
They're cooking that shit.
Really? What you got going on, my G?
Lower control room. Changing this.
Oh, that's it? Oh, okay.
This is that fucking bushing right here.
Oh, it's just making noise?
Yeah.
Mmm.
I gotta change that.
Mm.
Spark plugs. I'm gonna do that anymore. Spark plugs, engine air filter.
So this maintenance.
Yeah, I'm gonna make maintenance.
Oh, okay.
Engine air filter. That's the next one.
Calm shit. Paul got his BMW in the shop.
10 minutes. I have 3 hours worth. Yeah.
Wake up.
Oh, now, I mean, if you're doing it on my Ram, forget about it. No, you don't. The easiest way to do it on my Ram is not to drop the tank. It's to lift from the bed. You get it? You literally get a fucking jack.
Nice.
Yeah, you leave the left back two in so it doesn't slide back.
Everybody leaving for lunch.
You leave those in but loose. Front.
No, you can go first.
Ladies first. Mama raised them right? What?
How long you been doing this? How long
It hasn't been 20 minutes, you dick sucker. It's only been, it's been 10 minutes, exactly.
Oh, blocking the camera and shit.
It's closed. It's closed. Oh, hey. Well, I don't really have to do much. I just have to put this in and put the clip, right?
what you watching?
Some shit called Curb Your Enthusiasm.
Kirby and
That shit's big too. Oh my god.
Oh, do I put it in first and then?
Yo, that clip is a bitch.
Fuck in there, nigga. Yo, guard.
Tyrell. He over there. What's up? What boots? No, shall I record it? Who boots?
Oh, get Greg's boots today? He said his favorite boots, so today's a good day.
Gay shot ever. Bone accident.
The Tyra, they calling you.
I didn't even find it first.
Luke out fingers.
Damn, Joni.
It's confusing me too. But I forgot.
Joni Coon. Yo, this V is compact.
I'm about to play that song.
Why? Fuck
I
you.
feel like the song's appropriate.
No, it's not. Your phone might make a spark.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. My middle finger could catch on fire right now, and I could I'll just beat him.
Son, you're supposed to disassemble it and take it out, right?
Yeah, move your clips. So it doesn't fucking-
Yeah, make sure them clips don't end up in that tank unless you want to go trying to go for a swim. So you got to hit him with
Will
the.
you push this shit in?
Oh, hell no. And gas? That's nasty work.
You gotta push it out now. It came out easily. Look.
No, so people break nothing.
On the job.
This guy. This song is fuckery.
We've been on nigga tree for a hot minute now. You already know what type of bullshit we on. We working on fuel tanks.
Why with this song? Let me
Somebody
put the
pass me
time
water.
lapse.